Hey, what's up, Fortune fam? Back at it again. This is Running Dad back at it with another video. In today's video, we'll be doing some chicken nuggets, but not just any ordinary chicken nuggets. These are a copycat recipe from Chick-fil-A. Today we have our ingredients. You need some pickle juice, sugar, 1 cup of milk, and of course the chicken. These are chicken breasts, and you can use chicken thighs if you want. We have 1 egg, 2 cups of flour, salt and pepper, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now I'll have all these measurements down in the description below. So step 1 is to marinate your chicken in the pickle juice. Now you want to marinate it for at least 30 minutes. So as you can see here, we already have ours marinated and cut up. Okay, next we'll start off with the dry ingredients. All you're going to simply do is combine all the dry ingredients together. I'm gonna finish whisking this off camera and I'll come back with my setup. All right guys, we're back. So don't forget to add the sugar to the flour with all the rest of the dry ingredients. Now this is our setup. Basically we're gonna be going from wet to dry, and then we're gonna be placed on this parchment paper. And this part can get a little messy, so if you'd like to utilize some gloves, then by all means, feel free. This is a simple process. Now if you do like your chicken a little bit crispier, you can dip it in flour first, then dip it into the wet, then back into the flour. So here I'm going to demonstrate how to do one with the extra flour on it. I'm going to go to our flour first, then back into our wet, and back into our flour. I personally don't like doing this because then the flour start clumping up, but you can do whatever you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera and we'll be back with y'all. As you can see, we finished these off camera. And this is a very important part because what you want to do is shake off the excess flour and allow them to sit a little bit. This will allow the flour to adhere to the chicken, therefore it can come out more crunchier. It looks like our heat is ready to go, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these bad boys up. Notice how I'm allowing space in between them. You just want them to cook fully around. If you can't get all of them in at one time, then just cook a little bit at a time. There's no rush. So if you want to attempt to make your own sauce, such as the Zaxby sauce, you can try equal parts of ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and ranch. As you can see, here's the sauce. Let me know how you think it came out. These chicken nuggets look delicious and I can't wait to try them. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!